Here we are at beautiful Pensacola Beach. This is John Long Silver here with Sharky Joe and Seagal. Seagal's using her White's Treasure Pro today. I'll be using the Garrett AT Max. I'll put it in 0. Iron discrimination at 43. Adjust the sensitivity appropriately, ground balance, and take off and see how I do. John Long Silver here at Pensacola Beach. I'm with Sharky Joe and his bounty hunter and Seagal with her White's Treasure Pro. Last time, Seagal found 2 rings. On her 3rd beach hunt, she found one at Shell Point. On her 4th, she found one at St. George's Island. Sharky Joe found one on Pensacola Beach at a secret location. See you shortly. I lost the signal on that one. Jumping signal. Iron. We moved further down the beach. We're near some fancy condominiums. Pensacola Beach pier. Sharky Joe found a quarter. Seagal and I didn't do so good, so we thought we'd try a different location. There's a deep cut here we're looking forward to trying. See if it's any better than the other one.
What'd you find?
No penny, but it's a dime.
Okay.
Look at that wall. It's quite a cut there.
Yep. It's hard to come up and down.
Digging signals I shouldn't dig. The last one was a 45 and it was foil. This is a 47, but I seem to have dropped it. There it is. Probably there it is. Just what you would expect for a 47. A piece of foil. You hope they know what they're doing. Let's turn around the basement. bull sharks are here at Navarre Beach. First time I've detected this beach. I have with me Sharky Joe and Seagal. Long John Silver, over and out. For those who like to fish, there's a very nice fishing pier here at Navarre Beach, which you can see behind me. And this is I guess we must be near the end of Santa Cruz Island. I'm not really sure how far it goes. But it's a beautiful, beautiful place. I got something. We'll find out. It was a very iffy sound and it kept changing the numbers and all that stuff. Doesn't seem to be anything in here. I don't know what that's all about.
Ducks. There's Dad doing some metal detecting on the sound side of Navarre. Not much going on today. We've got a quarter, a nickel, and a penny so far. Stingray. Yep.
It's the end of a long day metal detecting. We started at Pensacola Beach, then we went to Mushroom Beach by Portofino, and then we went to Navarre Beach, and then we went to the Navarre Park and detected the north shore of the Sound, and now we're at Shoreline Park in Gulf Breeze. Now Navarre Beach was about the cleanest beach I've ever seen. I didn't hardly get a single signal. All I got was just one fresh bottle top that somebody dropped. That's exceptional for a beach. I wish I could say the same for the Atlantic coast beaches I've metal detected, where I find endless bottle caps. I did find this bottle cap, but not at Navarre Beach. It's the cleanest beach I've ever detected. Here's foil, ancient pull tabs from Shoreline Park, 3 more tabs off the cans. The only coins I found was this penny and this dime, and Smokey Joe found this nickel, which is one of the modern ones. Not in too bad a shape, but of course it's dark and I can't read it, but there it is. And I don't think Seagal had much luck today either. The money just isn't there. It's dead of winter. It's a beautiful, warm, comfortable day, but there aren't that many people on the beach depositing things, other than their trash, unfortunately. Well, that's it for now.
Alright, that's the last of the finds, a penny and a dime.
Here is the real Smokey Joe, the family cat.
Okay. What'd you find?
Okay, we're back at Quietwater Beach. I found this plastic parade set of beads, or whatever you want to call it, like they throw at Mardi Gras. Just an eyeball find. It was in the water. Hopefully we'll find some other things here besides this.
Find it made out of gold now.
Well, it's gold, but it's not made out of gold. It's gold
Right.
plastic. This rang up a 58. Probably aluminum, but it could be something better. It's up in this part of the shovel. I use this technique because it keeps me from having to bend over, and this shovel is much lighter than a scoop would be. Right up in there. It's plain hard to see. And it's over here.
Oh, there it is. Pop top. No, quarter?
No, it's a pop top. Actually, it's an old pull tab, probably from 30 or 40 years ago.
Looks like Dad's got him to something again. Let's see what he's got.
Maybe two things in the shovel. You go over here where it's easier to work it. Well, this was a 67. Something in the shovel here. That might be it there. There's a rock. Shell. Oh yeah. There it is. It's like a pull tab.
Pull tab.
An old one. Could be a copper penny. It's an 80 signal. Might be a dime, but I doubt it. There it is. Well, I think it's a dime. It's hard to tell. Alright, we relocated northwest. Do a short beach hunt here. It's threatening to rain. Keep low tide. Perhaps we'll do okay. going to probably call it a day. The weather's threatening. We're at West Park Beach, which is the last beach just before the entrance to Fort Pickens. And at this beach you can search either the Sound or the Gulf. There's pretty nice facilities here too. Now at Quiet Water Beach I found fool's gold, plastic. At West Park Beach I found this little Christmas ornament, a dime and a penny, and then the usual ancient pull tabs and whatnots. Sharky Joe found more litter, bottle cap, another pull tab. Now think how old these must be. This is what people are doing when they litter the beach. This stuff's here for years and years and years. It looks like Seagal did better than the rest of us. She's got a nice shiny quarter and a bunch of pennies. 5 pennies and this quarter.